How to win in the war for talent. 7 things that make a skills, talent, and HR strategy for the CIO. Technology is a decisive success factor in the digitalized world, but topics such as big data, AI, IoT, and security call for specialists. It is already commonplace that expert roles cannot be filled. Many attractive employers are looking for the remaining graduates of technical universities. The CIO Think Tank, initiated by Confare in cooperation with EY, dealt with the most important building blocks of a human resources and talent strategy for IT managers. 1. Break new ground in recruiting. A lot of people are following the beaten track. Therefore, the potential to find very special or highly sought-after candidates here is small. Anyone looking for alternatives now has a clear advantage. For example, anyone who is prepared to employ people with a migration background, impairments, or perhaps older employees will not only open up employee pools that are otherwise unnoticed, but will also make the company more successful. Studies show that teams with pronounced diversity achieve more. To this end, it is advisable to join forces with the HR department in designing and implementing innovative measures together. 2. Create a work environment that meets the needs of a new generation of professionals. An organizational, technical, and humane environment has to be created in which creativity, innovation, and cooperation is possible. This applies to leadership and corporate culture as well as tools and building architecture. 3. Use employer branding for IT. Modern methods of employer branding, awards such as the CIO Award, local initiatives, exciting projects, and an attractive business environment can make a decisive contribution to being perceived as an interesting employer for the right talent. 4. Build skills and talents in the company itself. No matter how hard you try, some specialist profiles will not be found on the job market in one way or another. Some role models are so new that there are no chances of filling them in the normal way. But there are eager to learn, enthusiastic people in the companies who are willing to acquire the corresponding skills. 5. Former employees can be your personal marketing ambassadors or bring back new experiences. Attention when you on- and off-board employees. Careers are different today. The average time spent in the company decreases dramatically. It is therefore important to build relationships with the people who dock and undock at the company. Where former employees were previously wished to drop dead and all bridges were burned, a one-way street nowadays should become a sustainable network. Through social media, alumni clubs, or simply with a respectful approach, you can achieve a lot here. 6. You will not be successful if you are alone in the digital business. Use your ecosystem and your sourcing know-how. IT has always been used to dealing with numerous suppliers. In many situations, it is not even necessary to bind skills to the company in the long term or to build them up. Partnerships between companies and startups, intensive exchange with service providers and manufacturers, and the network of CIOs can help to access skills and talent that are no longer available on the job market. 7. Values, vision, and purpose make you an attractive employer. In order to have a chance compared with other attractive employers, one thing above all else counts: a moving vision that can inspire employees. Work-life balance, appreciative handling, and meaningful work are on the top of lists when it comes to motivation and fun at work. Find blogs, events, and more strategic relevant information on IT management at www.confare.at. See you at the Confare CIO event in Austria, Switzerland, and Germany with award-winning CIOs from industry-leading companies and highly relevant keynotes.